Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I will implement the functionality to update the user. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code. As you can see, the update user component. Now here I'm going to call the method that is a update doc. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the doc method. Inside the argument of the doc, we have to pass here the DB instance. After this, we have a schema that is a users. At the last, we have to pass here the user ID. Outside of the doc, we have to pass here the form data that we have a useState with the different values like first name, last name, email, and the phone. So it will be a await, and we are saving the response of this method into this object that we have result. After getting the result, we have to show the response in the console. At the last, we have a navigate instance to navigate the admin to the dashboard page. Now you can take a look of the update user component. We are calling the handle submit method on the click of the update user button. As you can see the event that we have on click. Now let's go back to the browser. So I'm going to update this user. Let's click on that icon and let me update here the last name that we have Smith. Email, let me update here. And the phone number, let me add this. Let's click on the update user button. As you can see, the user got updated and it's navigating us to the dashboard page. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.